Linda Sondela. Ngamlungu.
Person after he or she cheats, we don't judge you. I mean, we can't decide for you. It happens.
Yeah.
It happens, and it's okay if you decide to stay with your cheating man or cheating woman. It's fine.
Yeah.
People acting all wholesome and as if they practicing self-love and they dump cheating partners on social media. That doesn't mean they actually do. A lot of people stay with their cheating partners, especially the long-term relationships.
Yeah.
That's why we don't last, because we don't pretend self-love nyani.
Yeah.
Except I've never caught a man cheating, so I think I've been blessed in that sense. I've probably been cheated on though.
Vele.
Yeah, I have, but I've just never caught. Yeah, I definitely. You are my daughter. But you, I'm grateful that I mean, stand here. I don't like thinking my neck.
Yeah.
But I'd rather not catch shame.
Uzwe. Ucabangele.
Yeah.
But ekubuhlungu mombamba umuntu.
Really? Bakho mbamba umuntu? Really, Dlamini? How?
That was back then, was 2017, Sahlala Orange Farm.
How did you catch her?
This year, we went for an event at FNB. Now, New West was feeling FNB.
Nice.
So we went there, as a bouncer, so I left him in So we went on Saturday, came back on Sunday. So Sahamba. When I came back the following day on Sunday, oh.
What?
Endlini phakathi. Not like they were doing something, but they did something because basole sebelele. Early hours of the morning.
You lie.
4 XN, I was there.
What did you do in that situation?
When I knocked, because I started at first I used my key. Abona ukuthi awungeni, then mangikhoba ngiyabona okay.
There's a key inside.
She's still inside, so ngakokota. And it took her time to open.
Yes.
Yeah, eventually wavula.
Because what is she gonna do? Yes.
It was an RDP.
Yeah.
Umnyango uyi-1 uphuma la ungena la. Loku RDP uphuma la ungena la, there was no other way.
So she opened.
Yeah, wavula ama-window namabhakla, so there was no other way ukuthi nje ungaphuma ngewindow.
Yes.
Wavula when she opened.
You saw this giant. Was he lying on the bed?
Oh, belele flat. Gone. And
then
that was the end.
You didn't even wake up the guy or anything. You just left.
I went to my friend.
Yeah,
and then I called him.
You're so mature.
And then I'll come back.
Yes. Yeah. Then that was the end.
That was the end.
You're so mature. I'm so crazy. I don't think that's how I would handle the situation. I think I'm better lomfana. I wouldn't do anything to the girl, but you.
But now,
and I'm such a lady. I don't physically fight. But that kind of situation, I don't think I'd be able to leave it maturely.
But masingabantu fun.
You are ending up better, shame.
Now the thing is, when you do decide to do something, what happens after then?
Not I think. No, oh no, I'd never. The fact that you couldn't even be careful enough, and I think that's why I admire my exes if they have cheated.
But they were careful enough not to.
Yes, there was never even a point where I was suspicious. Do you get me? So I appreciate that. But if it were, no shame. I think I'd beat a nigga up.
Yeah, but abanye they do something worse, really, because it's not easy, bro. It's not easy. Ungezwa ngabantu, you caught them red-handed.
Yes. I don't know. I pray that I pray that I'm never in that situation. Still have a long life to live.
Yeah, so,
but yeah, shall we close, Lami?
We're just sharing local nje.
Yes. Hey.
We've been there, so we know.
Yeah.
So we know.
We know. I think we're old enough now, Lams.
Yeah.
We're old. How old are you?
How old do I look?
You look
honestly
early 30s. So you mid-30s.
Gym ngiyayithanda mfethu.
I should go to the gym actually. I don't like being chubby.
I love gym. Yabona egymini you can be 50 but you look
Younger.
yeah. Gym. Shout out to abantu abajimayo bafethu.
Anyway, Dlamini kanti egym ngithandimile kakubi. Oh, shame. No, she's pretty and but kabi. I was like so nakandi yajimila na choice ukudlamini.
Asambe. Edala ngasho ngegym.
Ngezi hip dips. Andiyazi lokuthiwa ndimile kakubi.
Bathi ndimile kakubi.
Bathi ndimile kakubi. So, nakandiyeka ukugym, noba at least the hip dips are gonna go. Because andiyazi uba inoba yinto endinimilise kakubi.
Kodwa ngoba izinto zokubambelela lezi.
I-hip dips. Nazi lapha kandime straight. Hey, hi man, it's never thought to suke. So I'm gonna start going to the gym, guys.
When?
Possibly next week.
Possibly.
Anyway, guys. I actually don't like the gym. That's why I'm always so skeptical. I would rather run outside or walk outside and listen to the birds chirp. I hate the gym and the gym environment. So, but anyway.
You have your own reasons.
It feels like pressure to me, you know, the environment. But when you're outside, you're the only one walking or running, or you know what I mean. But anyway, I'll decide next week, possibly. Yeah. All right, CMTV viewers, that's an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _
Instagram is Welcome Dlamini 88. TikTok Welcome Dlamini, Facebook Welcome Dlamini. Ngicela ukusho lokho. Mlungu wami, siyawubonga umsebenzi osinikeze wona. I have a reason why ngisho kanje mfethu. Mlungu, siyabonga ngomsebenzi. Kunomuntu ovuka ekseni angazi ukuthi uzolala endlini, uzovuka endlini. Malishona ilanga angazi ukuthi uzodlala. Siyabonga. Kusena la isivukela khona. Kunento esiyenzayo. uNkulunkulu akubusise uqashe nabanye abantu abaningi. Danko.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Awufuna ukubonga?
No.
Bonga.
For what?
Yeah.
For what?
Bonga.
For?
Umsebenzi.
For?
For umsebenzi. Bonga umsebenzi ithi siyabonga Mlungu.
For umsebenzi?
Lisa ithi siyabonga Mlungu.
Andifuni.
Lisa ithi siyabonga Mlungu.
Andifuni.
Lisa.
Andifuni.
Ithi siyabonga Mlungu.
Andifuni.
Lisa ithi siyabonga Mlungu.
Andifuni. Wani uMlungu?
Uli.
Andifuni.
Lisa ithi siyabonga Mlungu.
I mean, oh, cute.
Phinda sondela. Lisa ithi siyabonga Mlungu.
Leave me alone. If you enjoy sports predictions and online gaming entertainment, you can check out EasyBet, a licensed South African betting and gaming platform. EasyBet offers 150% first deposit match bonus, up to 1,500 for new users. You'll also find competitive soccer odds and a wide variety of entertainment options, including slots, crash games, and live dealer games. New users can also receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus with no deposit required. To get started, sign up today to claim your 50 Rand welcome bonus. EasyBet Group Pty Ltd is licensed and regulated by the Eastern Cape Gambling Board.